Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question. Question number 33. And the question number 33 says the rules and regulations of the civil service are called dash. The rules and regulation of the civil service are called dash. Now, when we talk of rules and regulations, simply means laws laws that that control that control the activities of the civil service. Now, option A says civil service order, B say administrative law, C say general order, D say bureaucratic order. Now, bureaucratic order, administrative order means the same thing. There is nothing like service order. The both administrative order and bureaucratic order is a section, or they are section under what we call general order. So the book or the content or the document that represent the laws that govern civil service in countries of the world is always refers to as general order. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.